And then I sent off for another bowl. Yeah. Time for fireworks! Oh, getting all the rockets lined up. Oh, here we go. And a scaffolding pole for the big one.
Scaffolding pole.
Dad. So we start. Where the fuck do I like that? Oh, here we go. Oh, oh. Here we go, firework challenge. 1, 2. Oh no! Ah! I think Dad's been shopping at Poundland again. Here we go. Fireworks safety. When you got whack fireworks, just put them all together. No, mate. Professional. 3 in 1, here we go. While you're making a mess, just watch the neighbours' fireworks. They do it properly. Oh crap, ours are going off now.
We literally do.
Oh. What the hell was that? I've come to the conclusion that cheap fireworks are a false economy. Because you just end up putting them all together. I like it when they go bang. So, every year Dad buys an actual good firework. This one's called Mayhem. Place your bets as if to it's going to be any good. Here we go then. Ooh. Still going. I must spend half my life waiting for Duncan Green. Come on, Duncan Green. That's where our wench should be, on her hands and knees, by the oven. Doing some cooking. That's it, yep, sorry. Getting ready for fireworks in the
Take 4.
Take 6. So, first part of health and safety for fireworks, drink. Full of liquid, you're not going to catch fire.
You tried this. Yeah, it was all fucked up. So I sort of almost got used to that, and now it's changed. I still can't get used to that. I still do it the way it used to.
She ain't fucking right in the head.
So we can play cards against Mum.
Yeah, hello.
No, we need some fireworks.
We need fireworks.
Yeah, we got some fireworks.
I'm glad someone realised that we need some fucking. So, health and safety here. Everything seems to be going right. They've got a torch. What more do they need? And these two are giving the ratings for the evening. So what do we think of that one, guys? Is it any good?
It's good, yeah. Oh, blew away.
Wow. That's what you get for buying rip-off fireworks. Cheap as fuck.
Look at
Biggest rocket they've got in the box.
Look at Drew with a fag on it.
Oh,
Random fireworks.
This is going to be weak as shit. Guys, that's not a sparkler.
That's a lighting stick.
That's a lighting stick.
Sticks.
Jess, how's your sparkler going? Don't swear in earmuffs and think he looks beautiful in them.
Oh, you do look beautiful.
Oh, oh, that's a nice. Oh,
shit!
Oh, it fell over. These guys are really good at health and safety. Yep. Nothing but. Oh Christ! So someone entrusted these three with fireworks
Too many stabbies.
and a knife. Shit.
This is what we do. Our only solace is blank. In a world ravaged by.
So it begins.
blank,
For my next trick, I will pull my soul out of the Pope.
Say Pope.
Cube out of menstrual rage.
Oh.
That's a good one. Yeah, that was it for me. Menstrual rage and straight.
I'll take that. Probably Beth.
Will you stop videoing?
I'll sit next to her. Is that alright, Beth? I'm having a great night.
What are you actually doing? Why is he videoing?
Videoing you, innit?